Ranking dropping off my girlfriend at the wrong house prank. Number 2, I live with you.
Alright, you're home, baby. I'll see you tomorrow. Give me a kiss. You're home.
Whose house is this?
It's your house.
I live with you. Are you dumb?
Shit, you do this.
Nobody
lives there, babe.
Number 3, who lives there?
I had fun today, babe.
Why are you dropping me off here?
Oh, shit.
Who lives there?
No one.
Why are you dropping? Who lives there?
I don't know. No one.
I'm gonna go find out then.
Dude.
Number 4, where are we?
Where are we at? Who the fuck lives here?
Babe, nobody lives there. Calm the fuck down.
Fucking drop me off. I wanna see who the fuck.
Number 5, grandma's house.
I love you. Oh, shit. My bad.
What the frick?
What?
What the frick is that for?
What was what for?
Whose house is
My
that?
friends. My grandma's.
Whose house was that?
My grandma's. I just forgot.
Number 1, don't act dumb.
Where are you dropping me off? Whose house is this?
Oh, damn.
Oh damn, where are we?
I don't know whose house it is.
Don't act dumb!
I don't know whose house it is.
Who